अब एक बहुत ही खास प्रेजेंटेशन हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। ये प्रेजेंटेशन है जो इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स एसोसिएशन के, जो काउंसिल के हमारे जितने भी इश्यूज़ हैं उससे रिलेटेड। और इस प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए मैं अभी आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ ऑन स्टेज द सेक्रेटरी विमेन अफेयर इंटरनेशनल गवर्निंग बॉडी डॉक्टर उषा नायर जी को। सो आइए उषा नायर जी का स्वागत करते हैं ऑन स्टेज।
Namaste. My name is Dr. Usha Nair and it is a great pleasure to welcome each one of you. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम अभी 2 साल के बाद, I think we had a small meeting two months back, but still it is very, very nice to see all of you here. And yes, because हम सभी इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल से जुड़े हैं एंड वी नीड टू नो समवेयर, मैनी ऑफ यू माइट बी हियर हु नो, बट एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ ऐसे है कि देर आर सर्टन आर्टिकल्स, देर आर सर्टन चैप्टर्स, देर आर सर्टन चार्टर्स जो हम एज अ ग्रुप शुड नो जब हम अपने एरिया में, अपने सोसाइटी में, अपने फैमिली में जाते हैं एंड वी आर एबल टू एक्चुअली हेल्प समबडी एल्स। हमारा सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क यहाँ आज यही है कि हम जाने, हम अपनी जानकारी रखें और उसके बाद में वी आर देन इक्विप्ड, हम सशक्त होते हैं कि हम किसी और दूसरे की सही वक्त पर और सही चीज़ में अंडर द लॉ हम उनकी मदद कर सकें। So actually we have lot of boards. I'm not going to get into details of boards, but definitely मैं आप लोगों को हमारे क्या क्या इश्यूज़ हम अलग अलग बोर्ड्स या हेडिंग के अंदर लेते हैं वो आपको यहाँ जानकारी देती हूँ। Next. Well, first of all, we talk about one very important aspect जो मैंने अभी कहा, हमको किसी की मदद करनी है। So it is about administration of justice. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस अगर बोला जाए तो हम सोचेंगे ये पुलिस का काम है, ये जज फैसला सुनाएगा, ये कोई सोशल वर्कर करेगा। बट माइंड यू फ्रेंड्स, टुडे ऑल ऑफ अस हियर आर प्रिसाइसली इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ सोशल वर्कर। तो एज अ सोशल वर्कर वी शुड डेफिनेटली लुक एट दीज एस्पेक्ट्स. And yes, like I said, there are a lot of rules, there are a lot of laws, there are a lot of regulations. We also have lawyers. Our president himself is an advocate. Same way we have lot of lawyers. So इसीलिए जब हमारे various boards भी बनते हैं, we try and put one person of each category in that. एक कोई travel वाला होगा, एक कोई advocate होगा, एक कोई administration वाला होगा, एक कोई HR वाला होगा, कोई social justice वाला होगा. So that is how we try to create boards. And administration of justice के लिए as a team together in your board, in your local area, these are the few points that you can cover. Basically, abuse of power. I will not go into details. I'm just giving you headers because this is a very long presentation. ठीक है, मैं आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करना चाहती और आप लोगों के awards के बीच में भी नहीं आना चाहती. Okay? So it is about arbitrary detention. अगर किसी को, I might specify a few points, but I'm sure most of you English. Everybody? Yes? सारे हाथ नहीं उठे, हाथ ही नहीं उठे. जिसको नहीं समझ में आया, please come backstage and we'll talk. ठीक है? So arbitrary detention, अगर किसी को डिटेन किया हुआ है बिना किसी justifiable reason या बिना उनको खुद को पता चले, so that is also somewhere where we can help. Cruel, inhuman, degrading. We also talk about social stigma या social taboo. So उसका I mean this is the relevant word that we use. Then again it is custodial care, disappearance, torture. ये सब usually we talk about when somebody gets arrested, when somebody is police उठा के लेके गई, etc. etc. Next. Then we talk about AIDS. Okay. AIDS is not the HIV AIDS, ठीक है, but AIDS is about providing and it can be about denial of medical treatment to someone, any kind of discrimination. If I talk about medical treatment, I am a medical mainstream professional and I say whether मंत्री आए या whether किसी गांव से कहीं दूर से कोई गरीब आए, okay, there will be a private room, semi-private room, general ward, everything. But the type of treatment that is required, the time at which it is required, there cannot be a discrimination in that. So that is what we talk about discrimination, degrading treatment. आपने VIP को मस्त एकदम फैंटास्टिक ट्रीटमेंट दिया, और फिर कोई और है जो अपने दवाई टाइम पे अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाया या नहीं ला पाया because he didn't have the money, and you give them a lesser treatment or lesser medicines. That is also not allowed. That is also about violation of right to privacy. जैसा हम मेडिकल में बोलते हैं patient confidentiality. So that is every patient's right to privacy. There might be a discussion about the patient amongst doctors. There might be a discussion amongst the doctor and the caregiver or the healthcare worker. That is जो हम बोलते हैं जो home healthcare aid होते हैं. The semi-qualified staff, nurses are the healthcare providers. उनके बीच discussions हो सकते हैं because it is relevant to the patient care. But basically it cannot be discussed with anybody else other than the family members. और वहाँ पर भी एक specific permission होता है. If the patient says don't tell to somebody, the doctor, nurse, nobody is allowed to do it. So that is right to privacy. Excommunication and neglect. Okay, again if you see medical aspect से अगर कोई patient आपका ICU में है and the doctor is supposed to at least once in 24 hours counsel the relative or give an update, तो ये अगर नहीं होता है, so that is lack of communication and neglect. And of course there is another term which is a little more theoretical, that's called as exclusion. All this is not allowed, and that is where we can actually take care of things. Next, we talk about the Citizens Board, जहाँ we talk about violation of basically right to vote, right to globalization, right to information, right to development, freedom of association, freedom of expression, unlawful eviction, especially in case of terrorism. We had a very wonderful movie, I'm sure you all remember that, the Kashmir Files. Then again, social rights, civil rights, social order, social justice, poverty, violence. You all can take photos of these slides, okay? It is very, very helpful, ready reference. और इसमें आपको ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए, please Google बाबा. Poverty, violence, human security, illegal trafficking of drugs and persons. All this comes basically under the board or the citizens, I can call it as a citizens charter. Next. Disabled people, a very, very big challenging thing. It can also be taken as senior citizens, very old people. And उनके लिए especially we consider these major aspects, that is denial of legitimate benefits. In fact, just today I was reading one newspaper article which is about Senior Citizens Sustenance and Protection Act. वो उसमें there was a case जहाँ पर the magistrate has given an order that even if they are senior citizens, so it is not that उन्हीं के तरफ हमारा झुकाव होना चाहिए या उन्हीं के तरफ हमारा एक soft corner होना चाहिए because they are senior citizen, but the case was something like even if they are senior citizens, they cannot forcefully evict. अपने घर से वो अपने बहू को निकाल नहीं सकते just because they are senior citizen. So that was the case that was in the paper today, and उसमें भी Senior Citizens Management and Protection Act है जहाँ things like the parents, old parents, dependent parents, जिनका कोई income नहीं है, it is the responsibility of the children to compulsorily provide sustenance or to actually take care of them, keep them healthy, get them medical aid, etc. etc. So ये सब भी है. Plus I was very surprised to read क्योंकि abroad तो ये होता ही है. There are governments which take care of senior citizens and give them money and sustenance and medical everything. India में नहीं था. But I have not gone into detail of this act today. I could just read little. उसमें ये भी है कि there is some clause where the government will take care. So please be aware. जहाँ भी तुमको दिखाई दे, टुडे एक्चुअली वेरी फॉर्चुनेट, आई जस्ट हैपन टू गो ऑन टू गूगल और मुझे एक इन शॉर्ट्स में वो मैसेज आया एंड इट वॉज वेरी रेलिवेंट टू वेयर वी आर कलेक्टेड टुडे. Well, again, we talk about denial of proper care. We discuss exclusion again, inadequate facilities or unemployment. Unemployment, of course, COVID में, I don't even need to mention. Good people were given जबरदस्ती VRS, that's there in my own family also. And just because they were closing towards the age of retirement, but they had still not reached, किसी के 2 साल थे, किसी के 4 साल थे. But such cases, yes, definitely, we can try and get them some kind of sustenance. Again, under the law, under the guidance, and of course, keep an advocate handy. आज आप लोग यहाँ मिले हैं ना, तो जितने भी एडवोकेट है सबसे दोस्ती कर लो, कौन कब काम आए, या एक सेकंड एडवाइस एक फ़ोन पे इज़ वेरी वेरी कन्वीनियंट. ओके फ्रेंड्स, वी आर ऑल अ फैमिली हियर टुडे, सो प्लीज़ टॉक टू ईच अदर, मीट ईच अदर, डोंट सिट ओनली विथ योर नोन पीपल, क्योंकि फिर ऐसे मौके बार बार नहीं आते, साल में एक ही बार आता है कभी कभी. नेक्स्ट, एनवायरनमेंट, वी टॉक अबाउट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन, जो बहुत हद तक हमारे हाथ में है भी और नहीं भी, बट अगेन इट इज़ अबाउट एयर, वाटर, नॉइस, बायोडाइवर्सिटी. अभी आई कैन से आई हैव जस्ट जॉइंड अ लायंस क्लब, एंड ये लायंस और रोटरीज वगैरह जो भी होते हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट दे डू, कैन समबडी गेस? जाग रहे हो या सिर्फ मैं ही बातें कर रही हूँ? क्या करते हैं बोलो? नहीं, बीच तो अभी इधर जुहू बाजू में, सब जगह बीच थोड़ी होती है. दे डू अ ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव, ठीक है? तो ध्यान दो, वो पक्का होता है, किसी के भी टेन्योर में कुछ भी हो, यू विल हैव अ ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव. सो दैट इज अबाउट बायोडाइवर्सिटी. येस, आई लिव इन नवी मुंबई, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, वहाँ हमारे फ्लेमिंगोज भी आते हैं. सो दैट इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. बट आई एम श्योर इफ पीपल हैव कम फ्रॉम कोस्टल रीजन्स और फ्रॉम मार्शी एरियाज, वो सब उनको वहाँ देखने को मिलती है. Yes, of course, nuisance can be as simple as अगर यहाँ पर we had open doors, open windows, मंदिर है बगल में, and we are having some nice, great, big dancing music, then that can be a nuisance. So that also is called as environmental pollution. It can be called as noise pollution. So all these aspects definitely हम हक से उसमें interfere करना चाहिए if it is causing any kind of inconvenience to anybody. Next. Governance में again, it's not only about governments, it's not only about authorities, but yes, abuse of power, corruption, inaction, negligence, ये सब कुछ होता है, and हमको कभी कभी इसके साथ जीना भी पड़ता है. but इतना मत जियो कि आपको झुक के जीना पड़े. okay, keep your head high. yes, and that is where your self respect has to stand strong. ठीक है? so thank you women. Women are supporting this women on stage. Thank you. Next. Yes, again we come back to health. This is slightly duplicating, but still if you quickly go through it, denial to give medical treatment, like I was saying, on time, equal for everybody, irrespective of age, disease, social hierarchy, whatever. Exploitation of the mentally retarded persons, जो बहुत हद तक होता है, and we might find many a times घरों में there is maybe somebody mentally challenged, या फिर somebody is old that they tend to behave like mentally challenged, and उनको confined spaces में रखा जाता है. I mean, it's really inhuman treatment sometimes, and we staying next door also don't get to know. So please stay alert, please stay vigilant, अपनी आँखें कान खुले रखो, and automatically कहीं ना कहीं से आपको पता चलेगा. But the underlying, I mean, I will call it as passion, okay? Because this is my passion. That's how I can talk about all this. So you should have that emotion within you that I want to help. For me, healthcare is at a pedestal. So I say healthcare में अगर किसी को मैं किसी भी तरीके से I can make a difference to a life, that is where my passion lies. So if you're all part of human rights today, please keep that passion. Think why are you here, and think what is it that this human rights can give you. I tell you, this NGO gives you the entire liberty. आप जो भी केस लेना चाहो, आप जिस किसी की भी मदद करना चाहो, being an alert citizen, आप उसको कर सकते हो. The only thing you need to do is, you need to keep in one small email or a small letter informed at the head office, so that अगर आप कहीं फंस जाओ, कहीं अटक जाओ, तो the HO or the relevant people are there to help you and pull you out of your situation. ठीक है, इतना पैशन नहीं कि जाके खुद डूब गए और वो तो छूट गया या वो निकल गया और हम वहाँ फंस गए, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू बी योर सेल्फ वेरी अलर्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ बट ऑल्सो फॉर द अदर पर्सन. Then we talk about lack of facilities in hospitals. इसका तो मुझे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, but that is also a challenge with the healthcare industry because कोरोना में हमने देखा फैसिलिटीज़ एक्स्ट्रा बने, डॉक्टर्स एक्स्ट्रा अपॉइंट हुए, मेडिसिन्स एक्स्ट्रा कहीं ना कहीं से बने या फिर आए, but still everything was dearth. So today again what I follow and I promote wellness. अपने आप का ख्याल रखो, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बनाए रखो, जो कुछ भी करना है वो करो, बट अगेन यहाँ पर गूगल बाबा को मत फॉलो करो. ओके, व्हेन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ देर आर इनफ क्वालिफाइड पीपल, देर आर इनफ पीपल हु आर learned in the science and they can help you scientifically, and again जहाँ आप गड़बड़ करो वो आपको उसमें बचा के रखेंगे. So health care, don't take yourself lightly. Malnutrition, yes, ज़्यादातर बच्चों में देखा जाता है, but again it relates to your economies, it again relates to your earning capacity, family capacities, whatever it is. But malnutrition can be a challenge across all ages. It's not that सिर्फ बच्चों में या ill people में होता है. Medical negligence, yes, we mentioned public health hazards. अनएथिकल मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस, यस, पब्लिक हेल्थ हैजार्ड्स का सबसे कॉमनली समझ में आने वाला मैं एक, you can say it is slightly irrelevant, but we are all using masks. Nobody is using it here. I wasn't allowed to come in, okay? So that is about public health hazards. When we were all sick and when we were all suffering, we were ready to transmit infection without knowing to each other. So that is where we have to be extra cautious and take care of our entire community. Here, it's not only about self. It is you are responsible for your community. Next. Indigenous people. Indigenous people matlab, this is a very commonly used term abroad. But indigenous people is हमारे इंडिया में ही इतने सारे cultures and religions and dialects and everything is there. So उसमें indigenous people are a mix of different languages, cultures, social arenas, everything. So उसमें भी जैसे हम लोग abroad सुनते हैं, foreign में racism होता है. They call them blacks, they call them Negroes, ठीक है? And the whites, so called in the US or in other countries also, they tend to do discrimination. ये हमारे यहाँ we can see it being done maybe with Adivasis, maybe with children of lower socio-economic earning parents. So this can be seen in employment. It can be, we are also referring to employment next. We are also referring to poverty. We can be referring to any kind of violation of rights to self-determination, right to development, right to practice culture, anything. We are a free country. And for us, all this is not allowed. Next. Labor, yes, we talk about, again, we talk a lot about children, bonded labor, जो काफ़ी हद तक कम हुआ है. There are various, like there is Commission for Women, there is Child Rights Commission. At a national level it is there, at a state level it is there. At your local gram or taluka level you might have a representative. But beyond that is where we all come. हमारा रोल वहाँ शुरू होता है जिसके ऊपर next step is just an authority who is employed in that department. So for us, we are a very, very important link between the masses, जो 90% of the time they will be aware but they will not use the knowledge, क्योंकि ये मेरे पे नहीं आया तो मैं नहीं use करूँगा. और it is just that ये मेरा मामला नहीं है, मैं क्यों उसमें पढ़ूँ? या the people down there are just not aware. So अगर ऐसे lectures या ऐसे information sessions आप खुद अपने सोसाइटी में, लोकल एरिया में, अपने बोर्ड में हर महीने में एक बार कर सकते हो to inform the common people that you are there to help them if anything goes wrong in this. So can I get a commitment from everyone? करेंगे? Sure? रिपोर्ट भेजना पड़ेगा मुझे एचओ में, पक्का? कि मैडम सर हमने ये एक्टिविटी की जिसमें हमने पब्लिक जनरल पीपल का अवेयरनेस किया. एनी वन टॉपिक, यू कैन टेक एनी वन ऑफ द ऑल आर्टिकल्स ऑल्सो, जो भी हमारे आर्टिकल्स हैं. यस, कितने आर्टिकल्स हैं कौन बताएगा? चलो छोड़ो, लंबा खिंच जाएगा. Degrading and inhuman working conditions, lack of social security, mental harassment at workplace, sexual harassment at workplace, slavery. In fact, अगर आप ये सब देखोगे, I also do some corporate trainings. उसमें this sexual harassment at workplace, there's a committee, there's everything blah blah, there is rules, there are trainings done. ठीक है, तो वैसा अगर आप कोई एक टॉपिक में स्पेशलाइजेशन खुद करते हो, सर्टिफिकेशन करते हो, या हम ही कुछ कुछ कोर्स करते हैं उससे सर्टिफिकेशन करते हो, यू कैन अगेन स्टैंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. दिस सेक्शुअल हरासमेंट एट वर्क प्लेस, वन थिंग आई कैन टेल यू, इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर वुमेन, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर मेन. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू न्यू दैट? Very few. So I informed you something. I taught you something new today. Yes, of course, slavery. हम एज सच तो देखते हैं कि दिस बॉन्डेड लेबर और स्लेवरी दिखाई नहीं देती. बट अगेन आई विल टेल यू, ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रॉम गुड टाउन्स, गुड सिटीज़, प्लीज़ ट्राई एंड गेट इन टू द रूरल मोस्ट इंडिया. You will love living there, countryside, trust me. I just visited somewhere and I came back, and countryside is so beautiful. But if you can take all these and help that at the lowermost cadre, that is what we as IHRC is here for. Yes? Can I have a big round of applause for IHRC? सुनाई नहीं दिया. Next. Migrants again, bonded labor, we have a lot of these issues on the northeast, Assam, Bengal, Bangladesh border. I think, I'm not very sure, शायद Kutch and इस तरफ भी infiltration, Jammu Kashmir. Okay, we used to have people here from Jammu Kashmir. Do we have someone today? Yeah? Great, wonderful, excellent. A very, very warm welcome right from northernmost top, where we see so much of agitation, unrest, and still it is said कि अगर आप टूरिस्ट बन के जम्मू कश्मीर जाते हो, you are amongst the safest people. So trust me, that is true. Bonded labor, discrimination, exploitation, forced labor, violation of right to dignity. This is something very, very important. And friends, a person like me, for dignity, whatever my boss has done, I have left jobs overnight. So please, जो मैंने पहले कहा, maintain your self-respect while you're trying to do everything for others. Because अगर वो आपका dignity या self-respect नहीं रहा, it is not worth to be there. Next. Minorities, again, similar topics. We talk about genocide, we talk about violence, we talk about discrimination. Next. Prisoners, under trials, inmates, इसका थोड़ा सा earlier cover हुआ था. But again, we talk about atrocities, cruelty, death in custody, degrading and inhuman treatment. But friends, एक चीज़ कहूँगी. You know what is our herd mentality, herd mindset? चलो आंदोलन करते हैं, चलो मोर्चा करते हैं. भाई, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Okay? You all know of one of the biggest fire that happened last month in Delhi, in which 27 people burnt alive. How many of you know about that? Some people know about the incident. Well, that office belonged to my friend who is inside now. Okay? It was not his fault. He was just a rental office, come space, everything. He lost his own father. He lost his best friend. We lost that best friend's son, who was only 27 years, has a baby at home. ठीक है? So, sometimes you can't just go do आंदोलन कि इसके वजह से ये हो गया, ये जल गया. आप ये भी एहसास करो, महसूस करो. But we are a very good community, business community. He was our business owner community. None of us can help him today. Because वो matter लोगों ने, मीडिया ने इतना ज़्यादा उछाला openly that the ministers, the governments, everybody and everything got involved. So nobody is thinking on a peaceful or a level head. So for us, all of us, it is very important. आप भले ही आपके घर में डेथ हुआ हो, but keep it as a separate aspect and see what actually happened. Don't go to become judges, because that can cause more damage and more harm rather than doing good to whoever is there. Now this person is just out on bail because he has to do his father's last rites. Our team has met him in Delhi, but he is someone who is very strong. he lost his entire business 1 घंटे में. 1 घंटा पहले वो ऑफिस में बैठा था. 1 घंटे में he lost his entire business, he lost his entire staff, he lost his entire credibility, he lost his property, he lost his friend, he lost his father, but he is still strong because there is always a return. That strength you should be able to provide as being part of International Human Rights Council as a member in whatever capacity. So do you have it in you? Thank you. Rest everything is very, very theoretical, okay? Disappearances, discrimination, harassment, rape in custody, torture, so many things, okay? I mean, if I give you another example, I have time? I have time? Yes, you do. Great, okay. So I'll give you another example. My mommy was in Agra jail, okay? So for some property dispute. मैं उसको मिलने गई. So जैसा आज इधर एक स्टैम्प मारा ना हाथ में, ठीक है? वैसा मेरे हाथ में जेल में एंट्री करते वक्त एक स्टैम्प मारा. एंट्री करने से पहले पेपर वर्क, आधार, पैन, फोटो, लाइव फोटो, सब कुछ हुआ. ठीक है? दैट इज़ माई फर्स्ट जेल विजिट एज ट्राइंग टू गो एंड विजिट एन इनमेट. Otherwise, I have gone to jails like a VIP with the chairperson of the Maharashtra State Commission for Women as her right hand. I have gone एकदम VIP जैसा. सब rooms में देखा. We saw the condition of the women. We saw how they are taken care of. We saw the cleanliness, everything. But this was I, as a common man, am going to meet an inmate. तो ये ऐसा स्टैम्प था. Now अभी तो AC है, but otherwise outside धूप में we sweat. तो ये स्टैम्प अभी मेरा भी मिट गया आधा, ओके? उसमें कुछ पढ़ने लायक दिखता नहीं है. सो आफ्टर वी मेट, आफ्टर द टाइम फिनिश्ड एवरीथिंग, आई वॉज अबाउट टू कम आउट के टाइम वो मेरा स्टैम्प चेक किया. बोलता ये आपका स्टैम्प किधर गया? मतलब किधर गया? वो मिट गया रहेगा. इतना पसीने में, धूप में, गर्मी में वो चला गया. ऐसा कैसा चला गया? आपको संभाल के रखना चाहिए था. मैं बोला भाई ये पहले बोलना चाहिए था. ही गॉट सो एंग्री. बोलता क्या आप बात करते हो? ऐसा बात नहीं करने का. अंदर रखूंगा आपको, बाहर जाने नहीं दूंगा. व्हाट इज दिस? ये भी होता है, ओके? सो बी अवेयर, शेयर सच एक्सपीरियंसेस सो यू विल योरसेल्फ नो कि कहाँ क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी ऑफ दिस, ओके? आई वाज लाइक मैं शरीफ जैसा गई अंदर विथ एन ID, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. ठीक है, बट ऐसा भी होता है. सो इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट मोर ग्रूसम थिंग्स ऑफ टॉर्चर एंड रेप इन कस्टडी एंड अननेसेसरी हैंडकफ्स, नथिंग न्यू, बट वी हैव टू समवेयर ट्राई एंड गिव स्ट्रेंथ टू दैट पर्सन. बिकॉज अगर हम वो इतना सा तिनके का सहारा दे सकते हैं, दैट गोज़ अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग वे इन एनी इंडिविजुअल जो उस सिनारियो में, उस सिचुएशन में फंसा है. उस टाइम पे इट इज़ अ बिग थिंग. So please stand strong for the person who is really, I will not say about to collapse, who is collapsed, who sees no way, who sees nothing beyond. These are very, very high-end cases. आप सभी लोगों के पास नहीं आएंगे, but if you get an opportunity, trust yourself to be fortunate, trust yourself, I am capable, and go ahead and help that person. वो फिर जैसा हम बोलते हैं बीमारी के लिए आप अपने शरीर को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो, इम्यूनिटी अच्छी रहे, कोरोना नहीं होएगा. सो वैसा ही विल हैव हिज ओन स्ट्रेंथ एंड इम्यूनिटी इंटरनली एंड ही विल फाइट ऑल हिज चैलेंजेस. दैट इज ट्रू फॉर ईच वन ऑफ अस, एवरी वन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. Refugees, again repetition, discrimination, violation of right to asylum or shelter, violation of right to dignity. But when we talk about asylum and shelter, it is 100% lot of politics, lot of bureaucracy, everything. So if possible, stay away. Next. Senior citizens, again, right to maintenance, insecurity. I told you about an act. Please go through it on Google, Baba. Next. Weaker section. सेम एट्रॉसिटीज़, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, पावर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. तो ये सारा अगर एक निष्कर्ष बनाए ना, सो दीज कॉमनैलिटीज़ एक 7-8 या 10 पैरामीटर्स हैं जिनको हम इन वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ देख सकते हैं विथ रेफरेंस टू वेरियस सिचुएशंस, पीपल, सर्कमस्टेंसेस. नेक्स्ट. वुमेन, yes, thank you all the women who are here. It's very nice and proud to be here as a woman. And yes, अभी जो 49-51 था वो वेरी सोन उल्टा हो रहा है. ठीक है, 51-49 हो रहा है. इवन इन प्लेसेस वेयर पीपल आर गेटिंग इनटू हायर लेवल्स इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Okay? So don't even look at the mental harassment or the sexual harassment or the prostitution, okay? But help somebody. There are a lot of people who get very prone to it and get involved with it, majboori mein. So try getting them out of majboori sometimes. Next. Well, yes, International Human Rights Council, please note, we do not use any of the above objects as the matter is copyrighted except generic clause. So, जो भी screenshot आपने लिए, okay, don't forget to give credit to IHRC for enlightening you on these topics and that presentation. Well, friends, I've been with International Human Rights Council. Sunny Bhai has given me a very, very big pedestal. He's given me an opportunity, and I love doing what I do. I've been with them since 2015 or 16, and started with joint secretary with a local board. Of course, bureaucracy, politics, काम करने वाले लोगों को blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not getting into that. So then I became a woman president on the Maharashtra State Board. Then till about last year, I was executive president, Women India. And thank you so much, Sunny Bhai, for I am the secretary, Women Affairs on the international governing body of IHRC. And yes, I have represented IHRC at the United Nations. I was very fortunate because ये online webinars, conferences हुए. But last March, I was able to attend online में as an official representative the various governmental meetings, the council body meetings, the core committee meetings. And when you start doing छोटी-छोटी चीजें, actually you get into that power that you can make a change on a broader level. So all the best to all of you, and thank you so much for listening to me.